Okay, Raleigh, you're gonna try some cherry
Yeah.
ice cream. Here you go.
Cheese.
Hey, Liam.
Hey,
What you eating?
Blizzard.
What kind of blizzard?
Reese's peanut butter.
Oh yeah?
Best blizzard ever.
Yo, dude. What are you doing? Did you like your cherry?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah, and my white ice cream is good.
Yeah, well, you don't like it. What'd you eat? What kind of ice cream did you eat, Mr. Tom Taylor?
He ate Oreo.
He did? You are one crazy dude.